Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike here for SecurEnvoy, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to set up and configure and use the Yubikey 5 series of devices as your form of second factor for authentication. So let's kind of get into it. Going to jump over here into our identity management solution and just simply log in into my lab as my administrative user account. Once I've done this, you'll see that I've got some directories that are synced up. I got my local Active Directory, my Google directory, my Azure Active Directory. But most importantly, we want to take a look at Brian Smith. Of course, these are all, test accounts, so that's fine. So we're going to take a look at Brian Smith and we're going to head over to enrollment. And we're going to notice that the first primary factor, of course, is his username and his password. The second factor has been enabled, and we're currently using a passcode that is sent through a text message to the mobile device. Okay, so we're going to put a +1 here, and we're going to hit save. Okay, so now what we're going to do is head over to our settings, go down here to configurations. We're going to go into authentication types. We want to make sure that the Yubikey is checked off and enabled. Once we've done that, we're going to log out of our administrative account, and we're going to go ahead and sign in as Brian Smith. If I can type. All right, I'm going to grab this text message. Now, the good thing about using text messages in this way is that you can see that I have an authentication key. This session key is important. It helps me look at my mobile device and validate that the session key is the same on the screen and my mobile device. This means that I am entering the correct code that was delivered by this system to my mobile device. So I know for sure, certainly, that I am entering the key from the right source. Okay. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and configure our Authenticator because this account has not done that yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So opening up, scanning QR code, go ahead and enroll this. And as you can see, once everything grays off, all I have to do is click save, and that's been approved. That's been successful. And when I go down here into settings as a user, right, these are all my single sign-on applications would all be listed here. If I go to enrollment, I have the ability now to select Yubikey as my second form of authentication. When I do this, all I do is put the cursor in the field, insert my Yubikey to the device, laptop, desktop, whatever you're using, and just simply press the Yubikey button. Once that's done, as you can hear, Windows beeping in and out as the device is detected and drivers are loaded. Now that I've got that entered, I just simply click Save. Now that that's done, Yubikey is selected as my secondary method. My serial number for the Yubikey has been entered. I'm going to simply log off and then log back in as Brian Smith to show the functionality. Same account. And now instead of waiting for a text message or using the 6 digits that appear in my mobile device as a token, I just simply press the Yubikey, logs me in automatically. And there we go, single sign-on right into my applications. Now the users can come back and change, what methods they prefer as their primary and second factor, and frankly, they can even reverse the order in which things are done. It's a wonderful tool. Hope everybody starts to use it. Becoming quite popular, especially the smaller versions of the YubiKey. This little guy right over here, I have this one and I have this one, and they're both becoming very popular. This one in laptops and this one more in the desktop setting. So, all right, that's it. That's how you use multi-factor authentication with YubiKey and SecurEnvoy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you like, subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.